Salvo, can you make a tour of India? Let's try that with our thread runners. Now I will invite Badriji and Srijaji to run the show for the pearls. Thank you.
Jai Shri Ram. Dear friends and our beloved Bala Gokulam family members, Namaste.
Namaskar.
I am Dr. Srija Badrinarayanan.
I am Dr. Badrinarayanan Raghavan.
As we celebrate our 5th Bala Bharat Divas, let us take a moment to contemplate on the plethora of objects and concepts gifted by India to the world, starting from Ayurveda, yoga to the game of chess. We are the first ones to invent the number 0, pi, trigonometry, algebra, along with the concept of buttoning, shampooing and diamond mining. In addition to all these things, we are the ones to find out the presence of water on the moon.
Yes, indeed. India is a large and dynamic country with a vibrant culture and tradition. On this wonderful day, we are happy to take you all on a virtual voyage to some of the unexplored facets of our Janmabhoomi Bharat. This is a journey of not just entertainment, but also infotainment. So we will hint at the pearls. We have actually grouped the states of India into 6 pearls, namely the West Pearl, the East Pearl, the South Pearl, the Northeast Pearl, the Madhya region and the North Pearl. So we will be giving some clues before the pearl, so you have to guess it so that we will enter to each pearl.
Are you all ready to embark on the journey? Good. So this is our Pushpak Viman. Fasten your seatbelts. Get set. Go.
Okay, now we are entering the first pearl. So the first question is, do you know which region has a polling booth for just one voter? No? Yeah, West is correct. Can you be more specific? Yeah, Gujarat.
That's a correct one. Hats off.
This special polling booth for just one voter is in the Gir Forest, Gujarat. India's most privileged voter, Mahant Bharat Das, resides in Banej in the middle of the Gir Forest.
Setting up a special polling booth for just one voter speaks decibels about the democratic spirit of a country, the largest democracy in the world.
Yes, today we are going to get a glimpse of the life of a boy who made a big difference to our country.
Come, let's see what happens.
I want money to buy something. Here is my father's code with money. No one is watching me. This is the right time. Let me take it.
The boy feels guilty for taking the money without his parents' knowledge, which is evident in his face.
Oh, what have I done? Due to temptation. I have taken the money without asking my parents. This is not correct. I will ask for forgiveness from my father. But I'm afraid to tell him directly. I will write a letter in detail telling what I did. I will never do this in my life again.
The child sits to write, completes it, and takes it to the bedroom where his father is taking rest. Kid stands beside his father as he reads the letter. Father slowly sits up and starts crying. The child truthfully told his mistake. This action made his father proud, forgives him, and tears of joy roll out.
This incident in my life taught me to be truthful, and my father's forgiveness planted the seed of ahimsa.
Here is another incident from Mohandas' life.
I finished my homework. It's time to sleep now.
The old servant maid sees him trembling.
Oh, my dear child, why are you trembling? What are you afraid of?
Do you see how dark it is here? I'm afraid of ghosts.
Don't be afraid, my child. Whenever you are afraid, chant the holy name of Lord Rama. When you think of God and chant His holy name, no harm can come to you.
From that day onwards, he always chanted Lord Rama's name. Due to this habit, even when he was dying, he was able to think of God in his last moments, and he had the name of Lord Rama on his lips. Good values like honesty, ahimsa, and true devotion to God, which he learnt as a child and practiced throughout his life, made him Mahatma. He is none other than Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, Bharat.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम
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 ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान
ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान.
It's morning time. Gandhiji is washing his face and brushing his teeth. His friend Mohanlal Pandya walks in.
Bapu, why are you so miserly in use of water when the whole of Sabarmati river is flowing just next to our ashram?
Tell me first, do you find my face properly cleaned?
Yes, Bapu, it's clean.
Then how does it matter if I use 1 mug of water or many mugs of water? My face is clean and this amount of water is enough for me.
But anyway, the river is full of water. Why don't you use it freely?
For whom is the river flowing? Is it only for me?
Bapu, it's for all. It's also for us.
Yes, the river water is for all birds, animals, insects, humans, and not only for me. I can only use that quantity which is required by me. But I have no right to use more than what is really my need. From my collected property, can we take more than what we need?
Bapuji, you are perfectly right. We should save water and natural resources and use them in the best way.
This year, we celebrate 150th anniversary of Mahatma Gandhiji. This favorite song of Gandhiji is our homage to him.
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पेड़ पर जाने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पेड़ पर जाने रे पर दुखे उपकार करे तोरे मन अभिमान रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ बराए जाने रे. Vaishnava or Bhakta are those who feel the pain of others and help them when they are in misery, but themselves Don't let self-conceit enter the mind at all. सकल लोकमां सहुने वंदे निंदा न करे के नीरे सकल लोकमां सहुने वंदे निंदा न करे के नीरे वाचकाच मन निश्चल राखे धन धन जननी तेरी they respect the entire world and don't disparage anyone. Instead, Bhakta, keep their words, actions and thoughts pure. Of course, the mother of such souls is blessed. Vaishnava Janato.
And what to do today? If you want real peace in the world, start with children. Be the change you wish to see in the world.
Excellent. Thank you, kids. You may leave the stage. Lights dim, please. Akka props.
Anniversary. Yeah, he is the one who taught the world that freedom could be achieved through ahimsa.
True. Is there any child who has never played with dolls? 9. Dolls are integral part of childhood and remains attractive for the adults too. Now we have puppet dance from Rajasthan, which is famously known as Kathputli. Let's enjoy.
भंग पीलो भंग बजा के चंग भंग 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 पीलो भंग बजा के चंग मंगे तर से होलिया में उड़े गुलाल कयोर मंगे जड़ से होलिया में उड़े रे गुलाल कयोर मंगे तर से मारी मंगे तर चुड़ला वाली मारी मंगे तर चुड़ला वाली घड़िया वालों रे नवाब कयोर मंगे तर से घड़िया वालों रे नवाब कयोर मंगे तर से होलिया में उड़े गुलाल कयोर मंगे तर से होलिया में उड़े रे गुलाल कयोर मंगे तर से मारी मंगे तर नचनी वाली मारी मंगे तर मारी मंगे तर नचनी वाली ऊंचा वाला रे नवाब कयोर मंगे तर से ऊंचा वाला रे नवाब कयोर मंगे तर से होलिया में उड़ा रे गुलाल कयोर मंगे तर से होलिया में उड़े रे गुलाल कयोर मंगे तर से
ना जाओ जी मन दीद कराओ जी अरे क्यों तरसावे हो मन सकल दिखाओ जी थारी शरारत सब जानू मैं तो धरी हरसले उन बंगाली में कह लगे मर बिगड़ में जागी धोकनी है चंदा में थारी चांदनी मन दामन में पा भी खुशी रे झुम 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 भा झुम जाओ जी मन गीत कराओ जी रातों तक बसावे हो मन सकल दिखाओ जी हर जरूरत सब जानू मैं जो धड़ी हर से वन पंगा जी मैं का लगे हर किरण जागी धोकड़ी चंदन थारी चांदनी मन दामन में बांधी खुशी झुम 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 ओ da 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 झुम 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 झुम
Kalbelia folk dance, which is recognized by UNESCO and is declared a part of its intangible heritage list of Rajasthan.
Kalbelia is performed by a tribe of snake charmers from Rajasthan. Come, let's enjoy that.
Wow, that was an enchanting, fast and swirling movement.
Country
Yeah.
is going to present us with a Kumbi performance. Kumbi dance is performed by the early settlers of Goa who came from Portugal.
Yeah, this dance has more of a social element in it rather than religious feeling. Let's relish it.
Thank you very much, Kumbi.
Are you ready for the next journey?
Good.
Good. I'm Ramya Lakshmisha. So today now, Shrija and myself will take you to the next region.